Today we're going to show you how to pair wireless Apple CarPlay in your new 2026 Toyota Rav4. Now we're going to start with our infotainment screen. So if you're on the home screen here, you're going to find the little cog wheel down on the bottom, and you can select that, and then you might be up at the top here, and you'll see the third one down is going to be Bluetooth and devices. So go ahead and select that. And then you're going to see Bluetooth and devices on the right, then click Add a Device. Now we'll start searching for your phone. So this is when we're going to go back to our phone over here. So with our phone unlocked, you're going to see in the bottom corner here, or wherever it might be, you'll have that little settings, so that gray wheel. Then the third option down is going to be Bluetooth. So if you go ahead and select Bluetooth, you may see it pop up over here on the infotainment screen, or on the bottom of your phone here, it'll say Rav4. So if we go ahead and select Rav4 on there, it's going to start our pairing. Now the code should match on your phone as well as on the screen. So go ahead and pair. It's going to ask you if you want to allow your contacts and favorites to be synced. So you can allow that or don't allow. Then we're going to go back to our screen here, click confirm one time. Again, making sure that code does match on both the phone and on the screen. Now it'll give you one more warning. It'll say connect to CarPlay. So if you go ahead and connect with that, and then we're going to go one more time back to the infotainment screen here, and we're just going to start our Apple CarPlay. Now, every time you get into the vehicle after that, the CarPlay will be connected. So that's going to give you text messaging, Google Maps, Spotify, and you're going to see that little icon up in the top corner there, or you're going to have these two little arrows. So if you click these two arrows, that's going to make the CarPlay now full screen on your infotainment screen. And if you have the newest iOS all the way over, it'll show you your weather, maybe some of your reminders in here, which is really cool. But basically, now when you turn the car on or off, you're going to have wireless Apple CarPlay in your new Toyota Rav4.